Welcome back to our Year 7 Math class. Welcome back. This is our first Year 7 Math class. This is free class, okay? I hope students and parents will enjoy this class because we are conducting this class 24 session. Start from today and it will last for 6 months. In between, there will be some holiday. And we hope that everybody who join our class here can really benefit, get some benefit from that, okay? So, as scheduled, okay, Monday will be for Year 7, Tuesday will be for Year 8, and Wednesday will be for Year 9. I'm still working for others year and other subject, okay? I've been teaching Year 10, 11, and this syllabus for almost 8 years, okay? And there was some students who scored good result, and some of them were is now studying medicine, engineering, computer engineering, and also one of girl is now ACCA, not ACCA, sorry, accountancy degree in Australia. Okay, so I really hope I can help you all online, even though this is free class, but the quality is there. You may follow our class and compare some other paid class. Okay, so this is Year 7 Math introduction. This is live now. Okay, I'm broadcasting the course now. Okay, and feel free to follow us. Okay, every 10 a.m. will be the math class for Year 7, and every 9 a.m. will be for the science class. And this recording will be replayed again on the same day, which is 8 p.m. for the science and 9 p.m. for the math. Okay, hope you really can enjoy. Okay, so talk about Year 7, Year 8, Year 9. Okay, this is the KS3. We call it KS3 in the first 3 years of the secondary school education in England, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Okay, for pupils aged 11 to 14. Okay, if you are within this age, you can actually study this and gain benefit from this course. Okay, I think especially this math program. Okay, this math program is a basic stone, is a cornerstone for the learning from Year 7 until Year 11. If you are taking accountancy, just like my student, or you are taking engineering, computer engineering, okay, or if you are a medicine student, I think math is a subject that you cannot miss. Okay, and if you are not doing any of this professional course, no worry. If you are doing a small business, calculation and mathematics is the key for your success of your business as well, right? Okay. So can you imagine, okay, in KS3, if you are in the proper school, you will be heading to the checkpoint 9, right? And math, if one of the compulsory subject of the checkpoint 9 and will be tested, can you see? You will be tested like this. Be careful, okay? So the other two subjects will be English and science. Okay, English and science. English and science will be, and together with the math will be the 3 subjects will be tested on the checkpoint 9. However, if you are a homeschooler or you are following a homeschool center or your school haven't developed the exam center, so you might not take this checkpoint 9. This checkpoint 9 you may not have this checkpoint 9 in your school, but no worries. Okay, without checkpoint 9, you still can further to Year 10 and 11, because IGCSE program is the main exam, is a public exam that all the colleges and university will look for. Okay, so if you don't have checkpoint 9 in the year in year 9. Okay. However, be careful. Be careful. Mathematics is the pillar of the STEM subject. STEM subject. Okay. If your math is not really good, you may miss a lot of the possibility. Okay, let's see. Okay, what is a STEM? STEM, the S is mean for the science. Can you see? Science. T will be technology, and E will be engineering, sorry. And the M will be mathematics. Okay, so altogether this will make a STEM subject. Okay, what is a STEM subject? Okay, have a look with this. Okay, STEM subjects, so science will be, for example, biochemistry and biophysics. Biochemistry is the subject that you deal with doing drugs. Okay, and for the COVID pandemic, okay, biochemistry is something to do with the pandemic as well. Okay, and the environmental science, hydrology is the engineering. Okay, it's about studying about the water and the potential of the water, and the geoscience and medicine. Technology. Okay, yes. Now everybody thinks that technology is so important. Okay, just like the example I give this morning, and on the other class you may look for year 7 science class. Okay, can you imagine a date without electricity? That means you need to go to the bed maybe after 7, because everything is dark. All you have is a candle. Okay, so you have nowadays not only the electricity but also the computer science, industrial design, and IT program, which is computer science. Okay, all the apps you are using now, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, YouTube. Okay, it must be made by somebody. Okay, which is called a programmer. Okay, and the most hot topic now is called AI, right? Yeah, artificial intelligence. Okay, and then we have engineering courses such as aerospace, biomedical engineering, and also electrical engineering. And last but not least, applied math, data science, and statistics. Okay, this is a so-called very hot topic nowadays, right? Okay, come. I have summarized this year 7 syllabus into a 24 topic, which is probably commence from 10 today until 6 months later, and then within 6 months we will complete our whole year syllabus. Okay, for homeschooler, I know that you can have plenty of time doing your past paper. You can have plenty of time to study out of our textbook. So I think this program is good for you to follow, and you can finish ahead of your syllabus, and you can deeper your syllabus for the 6 month time. Okay, it depends on whether you do your experiment yourself. You go to read articles. Articles is important, Okay, professional article will help you to deepen your minds and strengthen your mind memory. Okay, and then to make you somebody. Somebody is not nobody. Okay, because if you really like to do math and science, I think to go deeper is good, and is good for you. Okay, so who can benefit from this course? I think both parent and pro student, you can benefit from this course. Okay, and most importantly, this is free. Okay, and if you are in the international school, you are private school, okay, homeschool, or you are private candidate. Okay, how to use this program? Just at this point, as a preview before class. Preview is important, as I was sharing just now in the morning class, because I score straight in my exam in my teenagers' time. The key I use is preview before the class. Preview give me confidence when the teacher teaching in the class. The confuse I face in the preview also I can ask in my class. Okay. Secondly, I also do division. Okay, division after class is important. So if you have your class, you still have something not understand, you can always come to this broadcast YouTube, okay, because this is available all the time on the internet. Okay, you can do the revision as much as you possible whenever you want with your handphone. Okay, other than the social media, you can always come to this class and learn something. If you don't want to take other tuition, you can take this as a tuition intensive class. And most importantly, if you practice here, you can strengthen your memory. We need to study smart, okay, and study hard, okay. Both also you need to take care of, okay. So here I want to share you my A-star study route. Okay, I will follow this one. Okay, if you are smart enough, you can always go in diverse way, but don't try. If you are not that smart enough, okay, I will share the flow here. Okay, the number one thing I do is always the textbook. Please, okay, even though my notes and my different colorful note. Okay, actually we have a brand called different colorful note. I think some of you may have this one already, right? Notes, okay. Okay, this different colorful note will give you handwritten colorful note so that to make your learning path easier. Okay. However, for my priority, I will still put textbook as the number one, because textbook is the scope of your study. Even though textbook may not enough, because textbook is just touch and go, you say, okay, touching the surface and brings you on the scope to you, okay, and you still need to go for class like this. This is number two. The class, the teacher will tailor for you, and the class, the teacher will help you to know deeper, okay, and to help you to know about more than the textbook, because textbook is limited to the pages. Can you see? Number three, okay, you can buy our note or you can self-make your own notes. Self-make your own note is the first step of the practicing. Okay, and then number four, I will pick up some topical practice. Okay, this is the way before exam. Starting from now, if you're not taking any exam, okay, after every topic, okay, you can buy some topical practice. Okay, I have prepared some topical practice also, and still under the brand of the different. You may go for that. Okay, different colorful notes. Okay, again, different colorful notes. Okay, so last but not least, before your exam, okay, for my suggestion to all my students over 8 years of teaching, okay, at least doing 6 sets of the past paper, okay, 6 sets of the past paper. I have prepared 10 sets for you. Okay, you can look for that from our dear friend also. Any topic from checkpoint 6, checkpoint 9 to almost all the topic, all the subject you need for year 10 and 11. Okay, here I want to give you 3 more study tips. Okay, I usually will summarize okay, my tips into 3 points. Okay, I hope that you can learn this one every time when you study any subject. Try to summarize them into 3 points. Okay, and then after these 3 points, after you have master these 3 points, then only you add another 3 points. Okay, that's the way of the study. Okay, I hope that you can learn from here. Number 1 is preview. Okay, preview study. Okay, as I told you, see, before class, skim the chapter. Okay, fastly go through the chapter. Okay, note the headline and the bold-faced words. Review the summary and chapter objective, and take some note if you like. This is important. Okay, when before I step into my class, my law class, at the age of 40 something, I'm 40 years old and more. Okay, so I will always skim through my books, and I will always listen some YouTube. Okay, before I went to my class, before my actual class. Okay, during my class, okay, I will ask the question which may not prepared by my lecture, and the lecturer will need to adjust his class just to answer this one. I think that helps me a lot, because this is the point that everybody want to know, and it's not the general knowledge. Secondly, give yourself enough time to study. This is important. Can you see this boy? Yeah, can you see this boy? Yes. Everybody should learn like this baby. Okay, you should study and give yourself enough time to study. Okay, and then the 3 point will be revision. Revision is important because practice makes perfect. Okay, come. The 3 point will be: number 1, preview. Preview. Number 2, enough time. Number 3, revision. Okay, so the flow will be number 1. Oh, sorry. Number 1, review. Number 2, start enough time. Enough study. And then revision. Okay, so will always help you to get your long-term memory. So your end result will be like long-term memory. Okay. Okay. So our class will be conducted every Monday, 10 a.m. until 9 p.m. Okay, 9 p.m. Okay, this is a display. This is the live broadcast. Okay. Okay, live broadcasting. Okay, live broadcasting. Okay, so besides following our class, we will provide some practice of the topic learned, and discussion will be held from time to time. Okay, for further thing, for further colorful handwritten notes will be available on different colorful note on Shopee or Lazada. Oh yeah, sorry, this is wrong word again. Lazada. Okay, and Facebook account. Okay, please drop us a message if you have any other inquiries, and feel free to comment. Okay, I will answer you. Okay, so success isn't overnight. It's when every day you get a little better than the day before, and it's all adds up. Okay, learn a little things every day. Learn a little things every day. Okay. Okay, learn a little things every day. It's important. Okay, this is the motto. Okay, I actually use throughout the years. Every day, every night, I will try to learn a little bit more than as usual. Okay, I will try to learn a little bit more than yesterday. Okay. Okay, so we are going to this paper 1, right? Okay, because you used to start with paper 1 as usual. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this paper has many questions, so we'll only go for 20 questions. Okay, so because this is also a revision for you. Okay, so come, let's do it. Okay, so calculation. Calculation number one. Calculate. Okay, this is 423 minus. Okay, so for this, can you see there's a space here. So from the space here, you can do your calculation here. Okay, I will do first. I leave 10 seconds and do. Okay, come, let's try it. Okay, so we may use this here. Okay, 4, 2, 3 minus 298. Okay, so you can always try to take this one, make this one as 1, and then you have 13. Okay, 13 minus 8, you get 5, and then 1, you get this 3, so it's small become 11. So this is 2, or this is 1. So that is 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. Okay. But I rather you to try another way. Okay. Always remember that. 4, 2, 3, 2, 9, 8. Okay. Always remember that. 5 and 8 will make 13. Okay, 5 and 8 will make 13. Okay, so we are not using minus, but we are doing the other way, which is 8 plus 5 equal to 13. And then this one become 1 already. 9 plus 2 is 1. And then this one is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. So you can do the other way around. Okay. Fatima has 72 oranges. 72, okay. 4 oranges are needed to make a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice. How many glasses of orange juice can she make? So see, she has so many. Okay, so every 4 will make 1. Okay, so many there up there. So this is obviously a division question, right? So it's 72 divided by 4. So all you need to do is 4 times 1 is 4, then you get 3. 4 times 8 is 32. So answer is 18. The answer is 18. Oh, sorry. Shit, 2. Okay, so that means can you find 2 or something from 5? Okay. Okay. 2, 5 is 2 portions from 5 portions. Okay. So can you find 5 portions first? Yes, I think you can do, right? So let me do. Oh, sorry. Okay, can you see? This is 1 portion, 2 portion, 3 portion, 4, and 5. So we have 5, right? So if we have 5, that means we need 2. Okay, so we need to color 2. Okay. Okay, that means I need to. So the 2 will be like this. Okay. This 2, right? Can you see the idea of that? Yes. So this is 2 of 5. 2 of 5. What fraction of the shape below is shaded? Okay. So fraction, that means all I shade is 3. So the box from all is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8. So the portion will be 3 portions or 3 portions from 8. Altogether 8. So it's 3 over 8. Okay. Now we go to the Venn diagrams. Okay. The Venn diagram shows information about the children in the grade 6 class. Okay, can you see? In my class, okay, there are blue eye students, which is how many? You see, this is the blue eye. We have 1, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5. 1 plus 2 plus 4. No, again, sorry. Plus 5. So this number will make 5. 5 and 5 will make 10. So it's about 12. So there's 12, right? This is 12. Okay, let me erase it and write a 12 next to the blue eye, the words. So it's a 12, right? Okay. Secondly, walk to school. We have 6 to 5. So 6 to 5, this is 7, right? 6 times 3 is 18. So it's 19. So it's 19. And then this boy is 10 and 15. So it's 15. So it's 15. Okay, how many children in this class walk to school? So walk to school is this circle, right? Okay, so we need to add 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5. Okay, so altogether is 18, just like what we showed just now. So it's 18. Not 18, sorry. It's 19. 19. Okay, 19. Okay, 19. Here is the number fact. Okay, here is the number fact. Okay, so you have 14 times 37, you get this number. 2 digit times 2 digit, you get 3 digit. Okay, so use the fact to decide whether this combination is true or not. Okay, so if this one times this one equal this A times B equal to A times, okay, sorry, A times B equal to C, and then this C divided by B will be to A. Yes, so this is true. Can you see? So this one is true. And then does it this one mean 37 pieces of thing divided by 3, 500 something to get each one you get 14? I think this is wrong, right? Because you only have 37. For example, cupcake. But you are giving to so many, you can see. 500 over people, so many. Not finished yet, right? Can you see? And then each one of them will get 14. 14 cupcake. Is that possible? I don't think so, right? Okay. So write all the missing number in the multiplication grid. Okay, I think this is a bit tough if you don't know about the multiplication table. Okay, so this one, can you find the difference of here? Plus 6. So this one also 6. So this one must be the 6, table of 6, multiple of 6. So this is 6. And then 6 times 7, you get 45. 6 times 8, you get 48. 6 times 9, you'll get 54. So I think the answer is obvious. 7 times of 7, sorry. 7 times 7 will get 49. So this is 7. 8 times 7, you'll get 56. 7 times 8, again, you'll get 56. We should check also with other answer. Can you see? 8 times 9 will get 72. I think that's correct. Okay. A box contains 30 chocolate. I think everybody likes chocolate, right? How many chocolate are there in 6 of this box? Each one. We have 6 boxes now. Each one is 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. So mathematically, way to count is called 30 times 6. Okay. So we have the 0. Then you can write a 0 here. 6 times 3 will get 80. So your answer will be 180 chocolate. Fatima is thinking of a number. She says, double my number is 14.4. Okay, so this 14.4 will be split equally to 2 parts. You get half, I get another half. So this is 14 divided by 2. So your way will be 14.4 will be divided by 2. 2 times 7, 14. And then you have 4 here. And then 2 times 2 is 4. So your answer is 7.2. So on my left, it will be 7.2. On the right, also 7.2. Okay. Got the point? Got the point? Okay. The point 2, 3 is plotted below. Got three more points whose coordinate have a sum of 5. Okay. So what does it mean? Okay. Let's see. This is 2. This is 3, right? Okay. So the question is asking you to find another point so that this 2 plus this 3, you see, 2 plus 3 will be equal to 5. Yeah. So from the coordinate, we know that. And then this 2 is x, and then this 3 is y. Okay. So this is y. This is the blue color x here. Okay. I need to find another dot, which is also add up to 5. Okay. Before that, I would like to introduce the very important concept of the KS2 and KS1, which is your year 1 to year 6. Okay. Okay, if you don't have this idea, please go back and practice, which is so-called the making number. Okay. Making number is to cultivate your mathematical sense. Okay, you can taste number. Oh, this number is too sweet. This is spicy. Okay, this is the idea. Okay, so now you have a 5 number. Okay, you know that 5, if you split into 2 parts, it will be 4 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3, and also 1 plus 4, right? Okay, so now you need to get each pair. Okay, for example, I will get this 4, 1. Okay, so immediately I need to find, okay, this is 4, right? And this is x, I remember. This is x, this is x, and then this is y. Okay, so fast, let's try, 4, 1. Okay, so my x will be 4. Yeah, this is the lotted. Oh, I need to get the blue color. Okay, this is 4. Yes, the whole line will be 4. And then the line will be 1. I want the 1. Can you see? This is 1. Okay, so the horizontal is always y, and the vertical is always x. This is important. I will show you in detail next time. But today, all you need to know is the point you need to find. Yes, this is the point I want, right? This is the point I want. Can you see? So now let me plot the point. Okay. Okay, even though, student, even though here the question is using a dot, a dot. But for us, when answering our question, we should always put a cross. Okay, we should always put a cross instead of a. Oh wait, that's not always a thing. Oh sorry. Oh okay, it's gone. Never mind. Okay, I because this is so you have the 0 here also. So we should start with 5 plus 0, 4 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3, and 1 plus 4, and then 0 plus 5. Okay. Okay, just like what I told you just now, this is x, and this is y, this is y, this is x. Okay. You can choose any dot, please. You can choose any dot. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, any dot. For example, just now I choose this one. Is it 4 and 1? So 4 and 1 will be this one. 4 and 1. Okay. So instead of drawing a dot, it's better for me to draw a cross. This is the proper way. Okay. Now, since the question asks you to draw another 3 dots, I think I will get this pair. Yes, 5, 0. Okay, I should go to the 5 and 0. Can you see? And then some student who want to try. I mean, maybe this one. Yes, this is the. Okay, sorry, that's why it's 0, 5. Okay, the purple color. The purple color will 1, 4. So you look for the 1, this line, and then you look for the 4. Yeah, this is the point, right? Okay, so I will cross it now. Okay. Will you want to find another dot? Yes, I can do, right? You still have many options, right? Oh, sorry, I think this is wrong. This is wrong. Just now I choose not this one, but I choose this one. Sorry. Okay, I just circled that already. Okay. So be careful, just now this dot is that, okay. So if you want to name the dot, also can. Okay, how you name the dot? Okay, it's this way. This is 5, 0, and then this is 4, 1, and then that will be 1, 4. Okay. Shit. Oh, this is challenging. Okay, this is challenging. Okay, I'll try my best to show you the answer and the way to find the answer. Okay, be careful. Okay, shade 5 more squares so that this shape has 2 lines of symmetry. 2 lines of symmetry means that you can cut this line, and then both sides will be the same. Both sides will be the same. Okay, and or you cut another line, both sides will be the same one. Okay. Okay. So now we need to find out. Okay. For example, if you can draw a line first. This is a line. Okay, because you will need 2 lines of symmetry. Okay, you need 2 lines of symmetry. Okay. I think I need to erase this one. This is confusing. Okay, thank you for patience. Okay, so you need 2 lines of symmetry. So, sorry. So, for example, if we look for the first line, which is this line, okay, since we have this box here, so we need to get the box here. Okay, this is the one box we have. And then Since you have this box, so you need to have this box as well. Okay, can you see? Now it is balanced already. Okay, so for the blue line also, because you have this box, so you must have this one also, right? So this box should be colored. Okay, now we have one symmetry line. So I have the second symmetry line, which is the red color. So you need to look for both sides. Okay, this point is this point, so no problem. How about it? However, what about this point? This one should be here, right? So now we should color the number 4. Okay. So same thing happens. With this one, you have it here, because you can count 1, 2, 1, 2, right? So this one will be here. So we need to color this red color. Okay, now we need to check. We need to check for the blue line here. I think, yeah, it's symmetry. And then for the red color, is also symmetry. So this is the 2 line we made. Can you see? So the question asks us to check whether there's a 5 more. Yes, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, always check your answer before you move to the next page. Okay, even though I myself will do some mistake, okay? And it saved me a lot when I do checking. Write this fraction in their simplest form. Simple form means you need to cancel out each other to find the simplest form. Okay, let's see. This is 6 and 12. Okay, so if we know that, oh, both this one can be divided by 6. After divided by 6, you get 1. After you divide 6 by 12, you get 2. So your answer will be 1/2. And then for the 12 and 15, you know that this 12 can be divided by 3, you get 4, and then 15 also divided by 3, you get 5. So answer will be, 4/5. Okay. Right now, each number is correct box to show its position on the number line. Okay, careful. Oh, so you need not need all of the box. Okay, so can you see this small line? Okay, wait, let me draw for you. This is one portion. This is another portion. Okay, so in between, this one will be this line will be 9, 5. Okay, 9500. That means halfway. Can you see? Because this is half. How you solve? This is 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2 curve, right? So the way of answering is you need to get 10,000 minus 9,000 divided by 2 space. So all you get 1 space is 500. So each one is 500. Each one is 500. So all you get here is, see, this is 2 space. So this is 9500. Okay, so you have 2 numbers to fill in. Okay, 948. Okay, see, can you see this is almost the middle here? So it should be 2 to 3 and 93 or 92 something. This is 94. 9482 is so close to 9500. So this number should be putting in here. So 9482. Okay, for another number, if in the middle here, in the middle. So this, since here is 500, if the middle line should be another 250. So 9500 plus 250, you get 9750. Okay, so this point should be 9750. Okay, this is here. So this number is 9842. So 9842 is slightly larger than this. So this one will come to here. So the answer will be 9842 here. Is that okay? Feel free to let me know if you need this slide. Okay, comment, and I will email you if you need. Okay, if you need this slide and these notes, okay? Because all I do is just intend to help, okay? Let me know, okay? So you can comment on the YouTube, okay? I will try for next class to have a Facebook live as well. Hopefully I can find a solution, or if you know the solution, let me know. Can let me know, please. I think it will help a lot of students. Okay, come. Here are three mixed number. Okay, mixed number means that this is the whole number and this is a fraction. The relationship between these two numbers is plus. Okay, that means if I have 5 and 1 4, it means that I have 5 cakes, 5 cakes and another 1/4. So the relationship is n means plus, plus. Okay, right. Each number in its correct box. On the number line again. Oh, it's the same thing again. Okay. Come, let's do it. Okay, I think we should split this into two parts first. Okay. So for example, this is half. So this is 5. Not my line is not straight. So this is 5. Okay. So now I have the number of 5 something. So the 5 something will be 5 something will be this one. So I am putting here 5 and 1/4. So another number is 7. 7 shouldn't be, it should be in the middle. Can you see? Shouldn't be go too near to the number 10. Not shouldn't be there. So my 7 will be putting here 7 and 1 3 1 2. Sorry, half 7 half 1/4. 5 1/4. So another number. See, if I put half also here, this is 2.5. So 3 something should be more than 2.5. So my answer will be this one, 3 and 3/4. 3 and 3/4. Okay, I really hope that you enjoy this one. Okay, here is the 1 cm grid. For example, this block is 1 cm, 1 cm, 1 cm, 1 cm. Okay, even though it may not, okay, it may not appear 1 cm on your phone or your screen. Draw a rectangle with a perimeter of 12 cm. 12 cm. Okay, 12 cm. So 12 cm, that means that if we know the rectangle, can you see? This blue line should be equal sign with this red line. Okay, so to have all 12 here, the blue line should take 6 and the red line should take also 6. Okay, come, imagine and think. So you need to know the property of this blue line and the red line is equal. Agree or not? They are equal. Can you see? If this is a square, and then all the 4 lines is equal, okay? But this is not. This is a rectangle. So blue line is 6 and red line is 6. So now it is clear for you. Okay. So you can find making number again. Okay. Making number again. My favorite, right? 6 is actually what? 5 and 1. 2 and 4 and 3 and 3. But 3 and 3 cannot. Why? Because this one will look like a square already. Okay. But the other 2 pair will do. 1 and 4 and 2 and 4. Okay, now let's try. Okay, let's try this one. 5 and 1. That means this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you have 1. Okay. Okay, let me use the blue color. 1 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. Yeah. So this is the rectangle I want. This rectangle look like a long shape, a rod, right? Okay, another one will be 2 and 4. Let's try. So here we have 2 And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also we have 4 and 2. So this is the another shape. Okay, but before we move to another question, always count. Okay, I use the yellow yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, this is also correct. Okay, so you can answer both these two. Okay, now try to avoid this one. Why? As I told you, this one is look like a square. Okay, try to avoid this one. Okay. So what is the missing number? I think this is so easy. I think this is for year 1, right? Oh no, not year 1 because this is negative number. Oh, so obviously this is year 6 and year 7. Sorry, teacher made a mistake here, right? Okay, come. So if this is number 9, but I think for you, especially if you are in the big city, okay, you have basement parking. This question should be easy. Come, this is your floor. This is the ground floor. In some country, we have ground floor, right? But some country, they don't have ground floor. They take the ground floor as a first floor, okay? So there's a basement 1, basement 2, basement 3, basement 4, and basement 5. Okay, basement means beneath the ground, right? So for numbering, if we take this is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, so +3 means what? +3 means you are standing here and you are going up for three floor. 1, 2, 3. So you are now standing at -2. You are standing here. Can you see? So from -5, it moved up another 3 floor. You will be standing at -2. This is the answer. But you are not reached the ground yet, please. Okay, last few questions. Hope you enjoy my class. A sequence starts from 300. Okay, and add and subtract 40 each time. Can you see? Each time will be deducted -40. Sorry, yeah, 40, not 14. Deduct 40, deduct 40, deduct 40. Okay, the sequence continues further 40. That means every time 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. Okay. What is the first number in the sequence which is less than 0? Okay, less than 0. Okay, so for this question, you can write. Okay, come. Another -40 will be 140, and then another one will be 100. Another one will be 60. Another one will be 20. Another one will be -20. Okay, the first number in the sequence which is less than 0. So this -20 is the first one less than 0. Okay. Okay. So the number will be -20. -20. Okay, come. Draw a ring. Ring means a circle around all the number that are a factor of 42. So 42, you have many factors, 42. You have 1 times 42. 2 times 21. 3 times 14. 6 times 7. Okay, so all these numbers you need to circle. Can you find 1 here? Yes, there's a 1. So this is the answer. Can you find 1? Can you find 2? Yes, this is the answer. Can you find 3? Yes, this is 3. Can you find 4? No, there's no 4. Can you find 5? No, there's none. Can you find 6? Yes, the 6 is here. Can you find 7? Yes, 7 is here. So you need to have 5 ring to get only 1 point. Okay, be careful. Write down the missing number. Okay, making number. If you know my making number, this question should be easy. I will show you the way of making number next time. But today we still need to solve, right? So you need to find something. Making number means that you are not using minus, no. You are just using a way of thinking that this number need to plus an odd number to get 1. Okay, so if you are good in making number, okay, today I will skip the method, okay? So I know that I will add another 1, 5, so that I can get 1.00. So my answer will be 0.15. Okay, I think we have come to the last question for today's lesson. What number of the arrow pointing to on this number line? On this number line, okay? Okay, so you need to know that to guess this one. Can you see? 1 space, 2 space. 2 space equal to 0.2. So this one is 90.1. Okay, 90.1. So that means each gap will be 0.1. Okay, 0.1. So you need to count back here. From 90 minus 0.1. This is not so easy, right? But now you at year 7 should be no problem, please. So the answer will be 89.9. 89.9. 89.9. Okay, so my answer will be 89.9. Okay. Do comment if you need this and the previous slide or something. Okay, I will try to send to you. Okay, if you really need that. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today, and see you next class. Okay, so our next card will be, okay, again, I will write here for you. If you want, you can jot down. Okay. Sorry. Every Monday, year 7. Okay, sorry. Year 7. Every Tuesday, year 8. Every Wednesday, year 9. Okay, and for the science and math, okay, the timing is the same. The slide will be, the first live will be on, you can ask any question, okay, the live will be every 9 a.m. The math will be 10 a.m. and the player, so that if you go to school, you can hear the replay on 8 p.m. and the math will be on 9 p.m. Okay, this is a free class, and if you like, leave a comment. I can prepare some topical questions for you. Okay, and practice makes perfect. Okay, see you next class, which is next week, or if you would like to join the year 8, it will be tomorrow morning 9 a.m. Thank you very much. Bye.